A lot of people talk about short time goals. Like they want the money fast, they want the result fast, they want everything fast. And if they are in the business, they want to get the results just next day. But this is not going to happen. Like when I started before my own digital marketing agency, I have done a lot of courses. Like if there is SEO, then I have to do a lot of courses to just learn SEO. This is not because I am lazy, this is because I am not satisfied, or I am not you can say that satisfied with the things, or I want to learn more and more and more about SEO. So then I started SEO. If I will go back, then I want to share an example with you. When I was in my last semester, or it was last year in my bachelor's degree. So at that time I make a website on food. It was our semester project. It was a website on food, and it was not like this was just a front end. So then I decided to sell it. Like if there is anything, you can sell that, no matter too big, too small. But I thought, why not I sell my website? Because there are a lot of gurus on the internet that are talking about how to sell things, and I want to sell my website, but it is not completed, it has not good design, it is just a basic website. Then I see there is a huge problem in selling things. You cannot sell the things. Then I start learning selling. Then I realized that you have to be present everywhere. Like people are selling on social accounts, they are making digital product with one thing or with one platform. You cannot sell anything nowadays. So I start moving, I start learning social media, I start learning. Like I want to talk that if you have to do one thing, you have to learn a lot of things, you have to do a way more things. So this is not going to happen in 1 year, or this is not going to happen in, if somebody says that if you start business your today, you will get a huge amount of money, or you will get millions in next day or next week. This is not going to happen. Yes, they can give you the roadmap, but only those people who have made it. And when you say how long they take to make it happen, it will be a great story, or it will be not happen in 2 years, or sorry, in 2 days or 2 weeks. This takes a lot of time. Like I'm recording this video, I am not recording it first time. When I recorded first, it was not good. When I recorded second time, it is better. When I recorded third time, it is more better. You know, when I have to realize how the person, like if I have to analyze how Russell Brunson make ClickFunnels, or how Dan Henry is growing his business, how Grant Cardone, how Alex Hormozi, I go to their YouTube channels and I want to find the oldest videos, because they give me motivation. Like they are not good, or they do not have a huge team, or MrBeast do not have a huge team while he was starting. So the people nowadays, they want the instant result, they want the instant things in like just 2 days, just 3 days. If you make a thumbnail on this is how you can make money under 90 seconds, a lot of people go there. So this is tricks to just like to get impressions, or to get clicks on the YouTube. This is good, but it is not going to happen. When we open the video, we saw, oh yes, you have to do this thing, do this thing. When we start doing it, it takes a lot of effort. It takes a lot of effort. First time you do it very wrong, second time you make it, improve it. So this is not happen in the in 2 days or in 3 days. You have to make sure, you have to give time. So that is why I want you to take big goals. Like there are three things. The first one is your goal, the second is aim, and the third is, I forget about that, but the first is goals, and then there is aim, and then there is, I think, the life goal. I forget about, but I will make sure that you will understand my point. Like if I have to do a business, okay, I want to be in cooking business, okay, then one will be my mission, that is 10 after 10 years, how I will be after 10 years, and then there will be my goals. Okay, and then there will be my timeline or my aim. Like in this year I want to make a base of my business. In 10 years I have to grow my business to that level. So this is you can achieve in your small timelines. Like in 1 month you have to make a website, or you have to make all the complete social accounts. So this is how it will work. If you think you want to grow your business in 2 days, this is not going to happen, because things take time. And now I want to tell you that you have to be patient. And if you want to grow your business, or you want a big giant of your business, then it will take time. You have to be patient. Okay, like I have make a lot of challenges for my content creation. I have done a lot of things. This is not my first YouTube channel. I have make a lot of YouTube channels. I have done a lot of research on how to do SEO on YouTube. Then I have done SEO for multiple channels. And this is not like I get all the projects in 1 day or 2 day. This is not happened. It takes times. It takes, I make a lot of references. The first project I did, it was almost, I think, maybe $10. Okay, and sometimes I have to edit hundreds and thousands. Like I have edited almost I think it was 1000 or 800 PDFs, Word files that I have to edit, and I have done day and night to do that. This was my first big project. It was not big in amount, but it was in work. It was very big, and it took me it took a lot of time of me. But in the result I have learned how to like use Word, or I have done a lot of practice on Word. Nowadays what people want, they want to start just doing making digital products, and they want to do it in Canva or whatever it is, but they don't know that you have to learn the basic. If you don't know even how to use Microsoft Office, how will you become, or how you will sell the PDFs, or how will you do reports writing? How will you say that you are going to be the best writer or best editor of WordPress? This is not going to happen. You have to put a lot of effort. I see there are a lot of people who are just making slides and earning a lot of money. So you have to decide very small niche. Like I have done this mistake a lot of time. Okay, I want to do all the things, whether it's email writing, it's blog, or all the things, but this is not happens. You have to be very specific. I see there are a lot of people who just sell, like they just sell the services on how to make videos, or how to record YouTube videos, or how to make confidence. This is whole their business. The communication, some people are just selling about how to communicate. So they make courses, they do all of the stuff, they make PDFs. And some are the people who just give the tutorials on how to use Excel, and they are generating millions. This is not happened in 1 year or 1 day. They took a lot of effort, or they spend a lot of time. Okay, and I don't want to say yet that you have to leave your job to do a business. Don't leave your job. Do your job 9 to 5. Do 9 to 5 if you have to pay the rents, or you have to pay for your family. But start your own business at night. Spend 1 hour. If you spend 1 hour a day, it will be 7 hours a week, and it will be 30 hours a month, and it will be 365 hours a year. And if you do it, if you do constantly it for 2 years, 3 years, then definitely you will be a good, or you have a good business. So do not be too fast, or do not think about achieving the thing in just 1 day, 2 days. This is not going to happen. I started digital marketing, and I am running digital marketing agency. At first I have to do all the stuff myself. Then I started networking. I asked people that if I get project, I will give it to you and you have to do the stuff. I will take 30% and you will do that, and I will give you 70%. So this is how I grow. Like, I don't want to do coding, my friend do, and I have make a partnership with that. I will be getting project on, and I will be getting 30% commission on that. So this is how you have to do business. If you guys have any question about digital marketing or business, just comment below. I will make a complete video for you guys.